Hey, yo, listen, it's Freedom Friday, and I want you to know something. Making money in your sleep is a real thing. Getting paid for doing 2 hours of work is a real thing. Making $600 in one day from your phone, from posting content, is a real thing. Over the past 12 hours, I've had $600 come into my account because I started following a program about 2 months ago that taught me how to do everything that I needed to do to go out here online and market to the perfect person that's looking for what I got to offer. When I first started following this program, I had absolutely no idea what I was going to be getting myself into. I just knew I needed a way to make some money, and I was desperate. I was tired of living paycheck to paycheck, and I was upset that my job was threatening to cut my salary. I'm so grateful now that I did plug into this program, because we about 45 days in, y'all, and I made over $4,000 following this program. If you're looking for a way to start making you some extra money, if you're sick and tired of robbing Peter to pay Paul, not being able to take those trips that you want to, not being able to create memories and spend time with your loved ones like you really want to, and you sick and tired of being on that hamster wheel that you feel like you just cannot get off of, drop me a one. I would absolutely love to give you some information on a program that I'm following that's allowing me to go out here and have these types of results. And remember, things will never ever change in your life if you don't first change. Peace, love, and positive vibes. You be great.